Armenian soldiers leaving Karabakh can join the Armenian army. Members of the disbanded army of the dissolved so-called Nagorno-Karabakh Republic have the option of joining Armenia's armed forces, Armenian Deputy Defense Minister Arman Sargsyan told. "We would very much like servicemen from the Karabakh army to continue their service as Armenian Defense Ministry troops, as they are our compatriots and their military expertise would be of benefit to the Armenian armed forces," he said. On September the 28th, leader of Karabakh separatists Samvel Sharamanyan signed a decree officially dissolving the unrecognized state effective January the 1st, 2024. The local ethnic Armenian population has been advised to consider the reintegration proposals being put forward by Baku and decide for themselves whether to remain or to relocate, most likely to nearby Armenia. Azerbaijani officials have been registering ethnic Armenians in Karabakh to identify their legal status. On September the 19th, tensions flared up again in Karabakh. Baku announced it was launching what it described as local anti-terrorist measures and demanded the withdrawal of Armenian troops from the region. On September the 20th, an agreement was reached to cease hostilities, and the next day representatives of Baku and the Karabakh Armenian population met in the Azerbaijani town of Yevlak to discuss reintegration issues.